In front of me is Google Pixel 9 and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then All Services. Scroll down and hit Autofill with Google. When you're ready, select Google Password Manager and tap on a password to delete. Then enter your screen lock, hit Delete button and choose Delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!